Hazrat Ali described about bad people as Iza asanta alal laimi wa taraka bi ihsanika ilayh. The worst person is the one who does evil for the sake of kindness, wa nasiyal ihsan, and forget the favor. A bad person is talkative, backbiter, and multifaceted. A bad person is one whose life makes the life of others painful. Stubbornness and bad tone are a combination of vices. Sharun nasi man la yafu an zillati wala yastarul aurata. A bad person is one who neither forgives a mistake nor hides someone's faults. ومن كان متتبيا بأيوب الناس أميا عن معايبه. A bad person is one who closes his eyes to his own faults and looks after the faults of others. ومن يبتغي الغوائل للناس. A bad person is one who tries to generate bad ethics for people. Ikra nafsaka alal fazail. Force yourself to adopt good qualities. فَإِنَّ الرَّذَائِلَ أَنْتَ مَطْبُوعٌ عَلَيْهَا. Because bad qualities are inherent in your nature. He said, إِيَّاكَ وَمَقَائِدَ الْأَسْوَاقِ. Stay away from standing and sitting in the market for nothing. فَإِنَّهَا مَحَاذِرَ الشَّيْطَانِ وَمَغَارِزُ الْفِتَنِ. Because they are the places of Satan and the abode of temptation. Hazrat Ali countered the immoral and the liars as bad people. He mentioned, he who repeats an evil thing after hearing it is like the one who said that evil thing.